Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you leveling a large area. Here is the house, main floor, around 1200 square feet and all floor uneven. Some part you see here is a 2x4 between heating pipes because this is a radiant heat floor. The main idea was cover whole floor, include these parts with 2x4 and cover this 2x4. And also I have to come to the staircase very close and not going higher than needed, because if I come higher I have to change height of the whole stairs because we have following code. So for this reason I use this tools. It's called concrete leveling tripods and laser. So I found the highest spot and set up all these tripods. Very easy way how to do it. So first of all I have to match the bottom laser line of this laser with the highest spot, and then I have to set up this tripod's bottom plate. You see exactly line on this bottom plate. Oh, now I have to set up all tripods, and then I will see how much self-leveling compound I have to pour. If you thinking self-leveling compound spread by themselves, no. You have to use few different tools and spread this self-leveling compound and then roll it. When doing a large area, you don't have time to think about higher or lower. I have to put self-leveling compound. If you have these tripods, you see whole picture. Just mix it, pour it, roll it, mix it, pour it, roll it, and very limited time when you're doing a big area, because this self-leveling compound starts settle very fast. When I made little bit more than half, that half of what I did, it's already start going settle. So we work so hard and so fast. So just like for 40 minutes we fill up whole this area and spend almost 80 bags of self-leveling compound. Just my recommendation when you're going to do large area, first of all you have to insulate all walls and cracks, avoid any leaks downstairs if you have something under this leveling area. Also use professional tools, rollers, tripods, lasers. You have to use big barrels to mix few bags in one time. And don't forget apply primer. You have to use cool water, always cool water, because warm water helping self-leveling compound dry very fast. You see, after finishing this project, contractor turned on the radiant heat, and that's why we see this lines. This is exactly where the pipes going under the concrete. Whole area already in one level because we use laser and tripods. Now it's ready in few days for start hardwood floor installation. And one more tip: you always should have a plan where you have to start and where you have to finish. For example, you have to start from the lowest spot and you have to come very fast to the exit from this place, because if you don't have exit, all your tools and you will be on the middle of the leveling place. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you next video.